Hello, recording this for myself for future reference and to share with anyone curious. This is a grapevine that I've been pruning today, and the past week I've been pruning it. This might still need some work, but I'm feeling pretty good about removing a lot of the loose vines that had grown up over here, and this is now a pile. It had extended out as far as the stump over there. So, and it was also into the neighbor's yard, and I trimmed that back as best I could. Now, going back here, so this is where the grapevine trunk is, but then there's a second plant right here, second trunk. I'm guessing that this second one is the parent, the child of this first one here. And so more of these guys here, and big pile over here. This side of the fence was previously covered with the grapevine growing on it, and it was like a decent arbor, but I want to make a better like trellis system here that will be adjacent to this fence. This is the ginkgo tree right there, so it'll be between the ginkgo and this fence here, and there will be this vine and this vine growing off it, and then these vines over here will probably continue growing onto the fence, but at least I can get some better airflow going through the grapes in the future, and having better fruiting. Another of my hopes, ambitions, is to design an arbor that will connect from the fence rail along this side here. This whole section, okay, is going to be all leafy in the summertime, and I want to train it to grow up to the eaves along up here, this whole area. I'm going to train it like that, and that I'll use some combination of, wire and wood to create a structure, like an arbor frame, to support the grape climbing over here, so that the whole idea of this is to shade the house from the sky, where it's in the summer it gets really hot from this side. This is the western sun, and the past 2 years I've been here, our heat waves have been extreme, and protecting this side of the house from sun will cool the whole structure. It will create a microclimate in this walkway that's shaded, and that shading will also encourage more airflow. So that's my big ambition. It would be great in context with that to also remove this wooden fence structure here. It's falling over, it's rotten, and like I can take it apart and burn it. I don't think the wood's good for reusing at this point. But, well, some of it, like this stuff, these planks could be salvaged for something. But, like, if there's lead in this paint, which there might be, then the paint dust will be toxic. I should test the soil for lead. Okay, more on that later. Thank you for recording this, and thank you for dreaming, Jay. This is gonna be beautiful.